Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking soldier from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's got a little helmet. So we're gonna draw in the helmet first, and then we'll draw in the rest of the head. So for the helmet, we're gonna draw one line across. This is gonna be the width of the helmet. And then right on the side right here, just draw a little bracket. And then for the top of the helmet, we'll extend this and just slant up. Okay, 2 slants first. And then on the very top, we'll just round it out. It's a little bit flat, but there's a slight curve to it. Okay, and then he's got his ears kind of poking through right here. So right on the side, just add a little curve. Alright, and then now for the rest of the head, we're gonna draw in his nose first. So right in the middle of this helmet, just come down and draw a circle. So this is gonna be his snout. Okay, so here's the middle. Come across. Let's draw a little egg shape. So that's gonna be the nostril, and let me shade that in. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in the face shape here. So just come to the side of the helmet again. Just draw one big circle all the way around the snout. Okay, so just round it out. That was a very tricky shape to draw. Alright, and then for his eye, it's gonna be halfway covered by the helmet there. So right underneath the helmet right here, I'll just draw a half circle. And let me shade that in real quick. And then right here on the side, just a little egg shape for his cheek. And we probably won't be able to see this because this is gonna be black on the other side. And he's got these markings right here. So I'm just gonna start right here on the side. Come down, this little angle. And then just kind of come down, angle, and then go out. Okay, so this whole part's gonna be black. So let's finish out this area right here. Just draw another line. Okay, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is very simple. Come out to the side here. Let's draw in 2 lines. This is gonna be his armpit on the bottom. Just kind of pinch it in. Close it off first. And then right on the bottom here, add one more section, just one rectangle. And it looks like it's got those suspenders here. So you can just draw in 2 lines like this first. And then one more on the outside. Okay. Let me shade this in so we can see this a little bit better. Alright, that's better. Okay, so now let's draw on his arm. So let's draw on this side first. Here's the armpit. We're gonna come up here, curve down, and then just a slight bracket coming down for the rest of the arm. Close it off with a slant, so we're right around the waist area, the hip. For his fingers, for his thumb, hook down and then one little line inside. Back of the hand. For the fingers, we'll just continue the curve. Just curve down, just round it out, and then just go back up. And then for the other fingers, again, just one little bump. Alright, and then now for the other arm, he's gonna be holding his knife here. So here's the armpit again. Come up here. Come down, and then again, just slight curve. Just a very long bracket. Close it off again, we're right around here. And then now for the hand, he's gonna be holding his knife. So we're gonna start up here. This is gonna be his thumb. Okay, so just one hook first. On the inside here, curve out. And then just come back down and just round it out and tuck it right underneath the thumb. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just draw a little curve, we'll close that off. And then now we can draw in the knife. So let's start up here. Let's draw a little rectangle. Now we're gonna draw at this angle. Come back down and then just connect that. Okay, and then for the bottom here, for the back of the handle, we just continue with the slant here. Just draw a little square and rectangle. Okay, so that's the knife, and his legs are really simple. Right in the middle, draw one little line across, and then we're gonna draw the inside first. Just come down a little bit lower because his foot's gonna be down here. Start on the side, just follow the same slant, come down. We'll close that off first. Okay, same slant as this, and then just close it off with a horizontal line. And then now we can draw in those army boots. So we can start on the inside here, just a slight bracket, and then this side just go out, close it off. Draw the inside first. This one could go out a little bit more. And one little detail right here, it's got one line across. And that is it for this soldier. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.